Alpine Tower, southbound 800 feet. Cessna, southbound GW, 900 feet. It's outrageous.
Insane.
Cessna, southbound at the Intrepid, 800 feet. And Cessna at the clock, southbound, 800 feet.
Are we getting pictures of that somehow?
Yeah.
That is awesome.
Here, I'm stationed Brooklyn Manhattan Bridge 500.
Hey, Alicia. This is unbelievable that I can fly this close to Manhattan.
It's absolutely amazing. Clock tower.
It's coming up, I see it over there.
There she is.
Beautiful.
It is amazing being at the same level as helicopter above you. To your right.
Northbound, Cessna, 800 feet at the clock. This is outrageous.
This is amazing.
Holy
crap, this is awesome.
What a country.
Colin Tuttle, this is awesome.
What a country.
This is freaking amazing. This is something else.
And Cessna, northbound, 700 feet at the Intrepid.
I got a long Raider, South Gallery 2000, we're dropping down into the buttermilk for the bridges up to 9.
I didn't hear.
I didn't get it.
I didn't catch any
Damn thing that was. Yeah. No.
Beautiful.
Sweet.
That was nice.
Had to make up for the one we did in New York.
Very nice.